Hello, I'd like to welcome you to another one of Coppershine Stills Leather Designs Show and Tells. This was a custom build wallet, custom build of the LeRoy Wallet. A great customer, his name is Mike. We would like to thank you, Mike, for your order, and we will be shipping this order out, which will be Friday at the latest. This wallet is made with Horween derby in nut brown with dark brown tiger thread stitching and with chocolate brown edges. It has full width pockets front and rear, money slot pocket, and it will fit at least 8 cards comfortably, up to 2 cards per slot as normal. The fine grain structure of this derby is just beautiful. Its natural shine that Horween is famous for. Thank you very much for taking your time here to see one of our outgoing custom orders. You have a great day. See you again next time.